Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing the flower of life slash seed of life, and I am sketching it on my arm with a marker, water base. That way, in case I make a mistake, I can easily erase it with a wet Q-tip. So I take my time and make a circle as perfect as possible, as perfect to the best of my ability. And this is a design that I am taking my time on, and I will do the flower of life, which is more like a grid, and I will do that inside. So now I cut my circle in half. That way it's easier for me to evenly distribute the grid. And I will be doing this with Jagua and henna, but on this video I am only covering the Jagua part because the henna I added it a day later. And I'm gonna leave this on overnight to get a nice crispy black. When I leave it overnight, I wear a long sleeve shirt. That way I don't mark my face accidentally while sleeping. It's possible. It's been done before. In case that happens to you and you forget to put on a long sleeve shirt, it can come off with hair dye remover or bleach. I know bleach is not nice on the skin, but it comes off. That's something quick. You just can dab it on, apply it with a Q-tip. Again, those Q-tips are lifesavers. All right. So it's just connecting the dots, making my vertical lines separated at an equal distance. And as you saw, I created like a diamond shape at first and just connected dots and fill them in. The petals, they're like lenticular shape. Here I'm going a little faster, so this video is not too long. So it's an easy way. Maybe you guys, if you want more details on the petals, on how to make the flower of life, there's people tracing it. You can trace it on paper first, actually, to get practice, to get some practice. So here's my gel, and I really take my time with the Jagua gel. This Jagua happens to be Fresh Jagua. It's my favorite. It gives me a really nice crispy black design. It actually looks like a real tattoo. It's good for playing pranks on mom. Yep. Mom, here I have a tat. Check it out. And she will have a cow. Anyhow, unless she has tats of her own. Well, here I am filling it up, connecting the dots, filling, and make sure your Jagua bottle is full. If you have to refill it midway through the design, do it. That way it's easier on your thumb. Otherwise, your thumb's gonna be really sore at the end of the session. Now I'm working on the petals, the outside petals. And now I'm going to jump into the next design, and I will show you guys the end result at the very end of this video. This is, I am creating also in a circular shape format, the mantra Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, which means Shanti means peace and Om means Om. Is the primordial sound. And so I'm just doing my marks again. I don't want to make mistakes. And the Shanti is in Sanskrit. That's how it sounds, Sanskrit, Shanti. And here's the Sanskrit writing for Shanti. that looks like a number 2. Then you do 3 lines and then 2 dots. Anyhow, you guys will see at the end what Shanti looks like. Again, it's something that you can do on paper. Look it up on Google, on Pinterest. There's different Oms. This is one of them. But every culture in Asia has their Om, and they write it differently. So I'm taking my time, making sure I don't make mistakes. It's always to squeeze the bottle on paper first, because sometimes it splashes and has air on it. So just burp it off your skin. Do it on paper or on a piece of fabric, on a little rag. That way it will get rid of the excess air and not ruin your design. I've done that a few times, and sometimes I forget. So here we go, going fast, and all done. I'm happy with it. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it on overnight. Long sleeve, remember, put on a long sleeve cotton, something that doesn't make you sweat, because if you sweat, it's gonna get ruined. All right, here's the flower all finished. That's what it looks like. And here's the Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please visit my Instagram account to see more photos of my work. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao.